Hello everyone. So guys, this is the new video tutorial for trading armor indicators. Okay, so let's start this video. So guys, let me make the screen a little bigger. Yeah. So trading armor works with some set of rules that you need to follow in order to have profit each time you enter the trade. Okay, so what are those rules? But first of all, we will understand some features of trading armor. Okay, let's begin with ultra instinct. So this is really great tool to have an idea of which direction the market is going, or any stock or crypto or any forex pair, in which direction it's going. Is it going towards bullish territory, or is it going towards bearish? So let's understand this. So first of all, in this indicator, you will have buy and sell signals. These the buy and sell flags will tell you which which direction price will go. Okay, so you cannot enter in this buy and sell signals without some confirmations. And what are those confirmation, I will tell you later. And okay, so first one is buy and sell signal, the feature. Okay, the second feature is support and resistance, which is here. This is the support in the green, and here in the red, here is a resistance. Just wait. Yeah, here is a resistance, and in the end we have a ribbon. Okay, so here is a ribbon. Here ribbon tells you which uh, direction price will move, upwards or downwards. If the ribbon is green, okay, all the EMAs in the ribbon, if they are green, then price will go up. Okay, and if all the EMAs in the ribbon are red, price will go downside. So, and the last one is, let me remove these check marks, so I will focus more on the last one. I think, yeah, last one is the pivot. Okay, so pivot tells you the exact top of the current chart, okay, and exact bottom. So if here is a pivot, okay, and price comes back down, then if this pivot is broken, then price will touch to another previous pivot. Okay, in historical chart, price has to touch another previous historical pivot, and if it's broken again, then another historical pivot. Same goes for buy signals. So whenever the price is breaking this pivot, it will touch another pivot right here, okay, or right here, here. So that's it for ultra instinct. Let me talk about scalper now. Scalper is our second indicator. Let me reset the chart and remove these drawings check marks. So what scalper includes, as you can see, the candles, the colors of the candles has been changed because of this scalper. Why? Let me explain. So this wave indicates the positive money inflow. Positive money inflow means, sorry, positive money inflow means that price will go upwards. Why? Because people are buying. The more buyers you have positive money inflow. Okay, wait, just because of this noise. Okay, let's resume. So when this wave is green, okay, which means the money is coming into the market, okay, and then the background is green, it means money is incoming to the market, and this is solid buy signal, which means you can enter the trade. And now in the second indicator, it says green money flow. Okay, so it means it shows how who is in control, buyers or seller. If this is solid green, it means buyers are in control now. If it's solid red, it means sellers are in control, means price will go down because people are selling. Okay, you don't want to long, you don't want to long your crypto stock or anything with leverage. If the sellers are in control, you want to short, and then you are going to have profit if you short when the sellers are in control. Same goes for um, this one. So if it's green, you don't want to short, you want to long. Okay, uh, so now when the candles are red and blue, and what is the theory behind it? So let's understand this. This is the final step, guys, so make sure you pay attention. Okay, so as you can see, let me zoom in. Wait, yeah. So you will see a red border and blue background. It means strong selling momentum. So price will go down. Okay. So when these are match, this um, red wave and red trend line, okay, and red candles with the blue background, it means price will go down. If all three match, price will go down. And you will see a sell label here. Let me load ultra instinct. Look, sell label here, everything is match, short. Okay, now same goes for buy signal. Let me move here. Yeah, so in the buy signal, you will see a white background with the green candle. Let me disable it again. Yeah, see, so border of the candle is uh, green, and the background of the candle is white. So when this is white and green, and this is green and this is green, you can long, okay, or buy this GBP USD pair. So as long as this is green and the candle is green and white, it means you can hold your trade. So whenever it changes the color, look at this doji. So border of the candle is red and background is white, means it's time to exit. Okay, whenever it turns green like this and everything is green again in the bottom, you can long. Okay, this is 5 minutes time frame, so you can take multiple entries in a single day, and you can win over and over again. But make sure you pay very close attention to the colors. So I think that's it for now. So there is one more rule. So let me, yeah. So red and white says exit, okay. And when, so what you do when you have to short? So red and blue says short, okay. And when the candle is blue but the background is green, you wanna exit your short position. Okay, if you don't exit, the market will recover, and whatever the profit you have earned, it will it will, the market will take it back from you. Okay, so this is simple. So let me go through everything I have explained in just a few seconds. So let me add these check marks again. So blue, sorry, green, buy label. Okay, first one. Second one is this trend, sorry, the ribbon. And third one is wave. Okay, and the fourth one is this trend line. All match up with the white and green candle long. Okay, and same goes for sell. Sell label. Okay, and red ribbon, all the emails are red, blue candles, see, and this wave is red. Okay, and obviously this trend line, so sellers are in control. So you don't want to long, you just want to short the market, earn. Okay, that's it for now. So if you guys have any questions, please ask me in the comment section or visit my website tradingarmour.com to talk with me directly. So I'm just going to write the, yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, it's tradingarmour.com. You can talk with me directly and send me message. I will reply to you and answer your any question you ask. So send me message, ask me in the comments, or if you want to learn more about this tool, you can contact me anytime. Okay, guys, have a nice day. Take care.